feel very happy and inspired for my future.
Well, I feel quite elated and happy, and winning a medal is winning a recognition in any child's aim in their life, and this silver medal makes me quite feel motivated and anticipated.
It's a great achievement for me winning a silver medal in Apache 120. I feel very happy.
Actually, when we talk about this PGDM program, it's nothing like the ratification that we have done up till now from the graduation course in the university. So there's not any strategic plan. Actually, what you have to do is all the things are practical. Something like cases, case studies, even in examination, everything which comes is practical. So you just cannot plan everything. You cannot just mug up the things. It's just you need to just go with the flow, understand the concepts, and then move on. So it's all basically upon your understanding and not specifically on learning something or mugging up something.
Basically focused more in the lectures, getting directly stuff from the teachers, faculties, and studying hard in late night, during nights, and on extracurriculum activities also, and participating in group activities, teamwork, because there's more practical approaches required in MBA rather than theoretical. So basically it's a combination of both, so I have focused on both the things.
For these 2 years, I tried to give my 100% for the education. I not only referred to the books given in the course, I even referred to the websites and the reference books given by the faculties. And I mostly paid more attention in what the classes, what was being taught, because the books are going to help you, but the best are the teachers. None of the books are better than your teachers.
I followed the basic strategy that focus on the basic of marketing and as well as other subject. The 5 tips is hard work and focus on basics, and never lie to yourself, and do a proper planning before the exams.
Dedication towards the studies and the management activities. Principle follow the principal's rules, and try to be more cooperative and leadership qualities, and work hard basically towards your educations and your personal goals. Work hard for that.
First, I would say that never get too much stressed out during the examinations. Be relaxed. Secondly, try to gain more of knowledge through reference books also, because not only one book can give you a lot of knowledge. Third thing, that don't refer too many books, because if you're referring too many books, then you may get confused. So refer 2 or 3 which are the best books in the course. And third, I would say that try to share your knowledge with your friends also, because it will help you not only gain knowledge, but it will also help you in refining your knowledge. Fourth, I would say that not only stress out more on studying only, you get even involved in your co-curricular activities in the college, because that will help you learn more and more the things in the college except from studies.
Innovative, be creative in thinking to the solutions of the problems that are there. Try to just be widened in your mindset, be broad, and then be very punctual and be regular in the studies. It's not like the one day before the examination you're going to study and you're going to crack the examination. So it's important that you should be throughout, and more importantly, there should be regularity, that yes, you are there up to the mark every time.
It's just work hard, be punctual, submit all assignment in time, and be determined in what you do, and aim higher.
Before coming to Jaipur, we had a altogether different mindset. We were not exposed to the corporate world. We were not knowing exactly how things move on. But while we entered over here, we understood that there are a lot of things beyond which are there to be explored.
Jaipuria plays an important role in the PGDM marketing. They have focus on cases, and they show that what is MBA guide do in the corporate world, and also they are also focused on that what method we should use for any corporate technicality.
It helped me to increase my concentration, my aim. Initially my aim was much lesser than what I have achieved in these 2 years.